tenotomy, we do the tenotomy right there. We have a visiting orthopedic surgeon, he's a orthopedic surgeon. He comes once in a week, and Ian Prakash was in Dr. Sali Kasha. And he performed the tenotomies. Yes, for spinal cord injury, we do the wound care surgery.
Referral mechanism to first receive the patients, like first managed by orthopedic surgeons and referred to physiotherapist or how it is.
Yeah, actually, we receive patients from the tertiary care hospital as well. The nearby hospital, Hyderabad Medical Complex, they don't have the dedicated clubfoot service. Although they do some casting for the PMOs, but most of the referral are from the HMC, Hyderabad Medical Teaching Hospital. And therapeutic center is a very famous and popular institute, since it is the only one in 1984. So we have a very verified and good followed Facebook pages. And we have academic blog as well, the College of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation. It has a verified and well followed Facebook page. So we receive patients. We have
The casting is managed by first applications done by physios.
yes, of course.
This is a government institution, right?
Casting is done by the use, and only the tenotomy is done by the.
This is a government institution, right? PCS
Yes,
is a government
it's
institution.
a government.
The treatments are free of charge.
100%.
Like Sri Lanka.
In every day, if you do not serve to the food,
Yes, of course.
every day.
Yes.
But I mean every day.
Every time when the clubfoot family arrives,
Yes.
we offer them food, and also night stay. One night stay.
One night stay.
Yeah, because the distance is very, like if you say Bangladesh has a difficult terrain, theirs is 100 times more difficult because it's mountainous
One.
and it takes more time to reach
For patients.
for patients.
One night is enough for the.
Actually, we have a system for providing food to our patients, all patients.
All patient and the attendants. We have 150 bed hospital, so 150 bed patients plus 150 attendant for spinal cord. We are providing 3 time meals for all 300 patients.
We also provide them with the soap and tissue paper, everything.
Everything.
I think
Yes.
we in Pakistan have the same problem, but what is, please listen, how do you manage the, sometimes the child comes with two parents, both parents, yeah? And how do you manage that? Because we face the same problem, the child is just 1 month old or 15 days old, and the mother comes with another, her
The parents.
and for someone, yeah.
Visiting 4 people around.
Yeah.
Four, five
So
people.
we try to manage that in our hospital, but sometimes it's not possible because we can only allow one parent with a child. We also provide food and all.
Yes,
But sometimes it's
in
difficult.
CRDC, they usually stay for months for the clubfoot service, right?
Yeah.
So in our case, they stay for only one night.
Yeah, but even for one night, their parents are there are two parents.
Yes.
Two bodies. So.
We have a female ward, we
Yeah.
accommodate the mother in the female ward, and we have the resting area for the men,
Okay.
so they stay.
We do have a system for that.
And just to add for more clarity, this practice is only at one hospital. It is not
Everywhere,
across the.
yeah.
Okay.
It is not across the. Yeah.
Or clinics.
Yeah.
So only in
One out of 9.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Also, just
We are not charging it.
Just to add, sir.
Contribution of PCP towards the.
Yeah. Just to add,
Stay, the food.
because it's one night, they can stay in the waiting room. Because you guys have 3 months, they cannot stay in a waiting room,
Yeah.
right? So for one night, they can rest in the waiting room, and the next day they'll go back with their. So that's the main difference.
Yeah.
No,
That's the thing.
Yeah, I just have the problem. We just have the same
Yeah,
problem.
but theirs is slightly different because they have one night. That's the difference.
Your institution or from almost
Cost of medical feed, the material cost and the braces are provided by.
Surgical cost like penicillin and then other cost is
Provided by
provided by the
Medical.
medical.
We are working with the government to bear the cost of at least 30% or 40%. We are working on that.
We should some proper cost of the treatment. What we want.
As I mentioned, that only one tertiary care hospital agreed to provide the DRP supplies.
But we have opened established
She
6
wants to ask a
clinics.
question.
Yes.
Use the phone.
My question is, you are applying casting for 4 to 6 times, then you call for the doctor for the chemotherapy, right?
Yes.
To do that. So, managing deficit, they are available for every time or?
Tinatmy, we do tinatmy once in a week on Tuesday, and that doctor is the assistant professor in the nearby
Because
hospital.
this is one condition because of the not availability of the theatre and all, we already discussed.
We have
So
our own theatre.
We have our own theatre,
But the anesthesia
so
is local,
doctors,
not like
doctors every time they are coming, yeah?
Sorry?
They are always available for you,
Yes,
right?
Yes,
We'll
once in
sign
a
an
week.
MOU with us. If he's not available, then is the trouble.
We had a contract.
Local anesthesia, not that, and then already with the doctor, they have like.
Actually, it is a tertiary care hospital. If he is not available, he send his senior team. Never a problem.
But we had a contract with them.
So
He must be present on that.
Yes, go with the government contracts.
It's not causing any delay in.
No. He has to present on that day.
He or his team, someone.
Yes,
from the-
yes.
and as of now, they are getting some support from the project which we are stepwise moving. Like they get some extra, hospital gets some extra funds on doing the treatments. But now we are tapering off.
From last year, we had
50%.
50% cut.
Now you can say that we can only giving them $10 or $15, around $15. $15. Less than
Less than.
10. Now we have cut 50%.
7.75.
0.75, yeah.
7.75.
$7.5, which we have already agreed with the government that we will finish it. Because initially when we started the program, we did not know the landscape of all that, we just started. So we started giving $20. Then we did the review and we thought out that our budget is, we cannot manage the project like this. And we had a meeting with the ministry and they said, we move it stepwise. Yeah, first, they put a cut of 50% that now from this year we came to about $7. Next year I think we will go to around $2 to $3. That is the good. That is just the contribution for the treatment supplies, not for the services. The not supplies, not for the services.
If last patient comes to you, then what do you for the patient?
The same. Also, initially we try with the casting, and we have a very good results of casting our relapse cases. We have very good data. We have treated many cases with the same team. In very rare cases, they need surgical intervention. In very rare cases, because our clinicians are very expert. They do very good consultation. Very good consultation.
Up to the age of 10.
Yes.
12 years.
So your relapse rate is very minimal.
Relapse.
No,
Relapse case.
The relapse actually in our cases is very minimal.
Minimum. Yeah, that's.
Almost negligible, but we receive relapse cases, as I mentioned, that the local practitioners do the casting, but they don't have the appropriate braces. Then they send from somewhere they get the information and come to us, because it is the popular and famous institute, so they come to us with a relapse. That is not our case. That is actually mishandled by local practitioners.
But they have a very good system of follow-up also. So if
In our case, You have
Because
seen the
someday someone will
KPIs.
have the basic drop-off, bracing follow-up.
Well under control.
Other will have a casting, so they can
So
also
I
start.
just want to know that apart from PCPs, other clinics, do you have the
And
tertiary care
we
hospital
support both.
nearby, or do they
We
have
support
different
9,
in
but
other
our support is very
clinics?
limited. We are not supporting
Yeah,
for
you have 7 clinics.
any
Yeah.
kind of
The
infrastructure, salary,
five
nothing.
are the tertiary care
Nothing. We
hospitals.
had no utilities,
One
nothing. We are only
recently
supporting the
established is
CZT.
a hospital. Yes,
Yeah, okay.
And the
Nice.
one, the NIRF is the National Institute of Rehab Medicine. That is located in the capital city.
Islamabad.
And the 5 are the tertiary care hospitals.
All are run by government hospitals.
Yes, yes.
So nice. Nice.
Within this kilometer range.
So you all use that Miracle Fit orchestration?
Yes.
Miracle Fit braces.
Braces, yes.
Both the Pakistan teams, they use the Miracle Fit.
Only for the casting units, not for the bracing.
We have our own
there's a big policy
shop
on that.
like you have. And we have a factory of assistive devices. We manufacture our own wheelchairs, a range of assistive devices. We are thinking to produce the braces locally very soon. We are trying to produce it.
And yes, we do support some of the partners and it makes sense.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, bye.
Okay, done? Great. Okay, thank you.
And for
Great
AFT,
job.
it is we are not, because we learned when we started with ASD, we are not giving any tenotomy fee to any hospital from the way they are doing tenotomies by themselves. We are with them, the government, we don't have an agreement like we will give you 25%, 30%, 50%. No. The agreement is when the hospital will run out of the government supply, like you are doing a tender, you are procuring something, there is a gap, like procedural gap of 2 months, 3 months. Only then they provide supplies. Otherwise, the supplies are also managed by the government.
We just,
Yeah.
we just
I need
Supplementing.
exactly whole treatments. We will not provide whole treatments. Not even for doctors, not even for patients. All the like medical supplies and the cost of that are beared by the hospital, the government hospitals.
So you see, the cost of treating 400 kids in Pakistan in this model is less than $50,000, including doctors and everything.
Yeah.
The cost of treating 500 patients in Nepal is more than $100,000 and $150,000 because it's a different kind of program. But the difference is 500 patients in Pakistan may be the 5% of the total incidents. 500 patients in Nepal is above 80% of the total incidents. Getting my point? So we can have the next presentation. So we have